doing parkour? Good morning. Hi, baby. Good morning.
Hey, don't touch me! What do you want from me? Reflex check? I'm great at it, no need to test.
Begging for food, again.
What are you doing?
Next thing you know, he'll be trying to quack.
Young moose are naturally curious. Anything wet or messy instantly becomes their favorite hobby.
Hi, Finn.
She's still getting used to going on a walk.
Good girl, so pretty. So pretty. Ellie, so pretty. Oh.
Ouch! Who did that? Humans, I know it was you.
He's done with the trees. He's a captain.
Is that big enough for you?
Proof that dog owns the house. You just live there.
Door opening, but you can come in. Come on, Chloe. They don't notice that the door is open. Come here, Chloe. Come here. Come here.
Back in the day, we thought we were the strongest until reality showed us who's boss.
What animal this is.
Got this mini boss was somehow stressful and scary at the same time. Eye contact isn't enough anymore. His social battery definitely reaches zero. A sign of, "Stop and play with me, please."
And pierce it with your teeth, put it in a litter for you and me. Catnip, I want a mouse. Catch me a mouse as fast as I meow. Swat it, lick it, and pierce it with your teeth, put it in a litter for you and me. Oh, what the?
He thinks he's helping.
him. Look at him. He's so.
He got the zoomies.
You're in my. I can't see shit, but a cat in my face.
Lights on it.
This dog only rides first class.
Zoom, zoom, I'm zooming over there, I'm zooming over here now, and then I'm everywhere. Zoom, zoom, zam, zoom, zoom, zam.
Stand. Good boy. Nice support.
What happened there, Caesar? Oh, chickens.
Okay.
You need benefits. Consider a robot vacuum if you have a mischievous cat making a mess.
Magic.
What are you doing?
You're magic.
Both literally and figuratively, you're the only one who can freeze you.
Cats are called living liquids, huh?
Pets? No, you want pets? Oh, you want a cat? Ping!
Magical gift truly is.
That's my Max.
Oh no.
It's really sad. Don't worry, cameraman. We got the perfect angle for you.
This icy face dares anyone to mess around or not take work seriously.
What? How the fuck did I get it back?
Hey guys, ow. Let's talk about roller coaster. Ow. 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 Ow.
There's no survival instinct.
Look at that. Big jammy cake. A big jammy cake!
You're gonna think it's a remote control car.
It's a baby. Oh, wow. Look at it.
The missile is very tired.
Favorite cat's sleeping spots.
Is it possible I can get a small cup of water? Yeah. Thank you.
He did so good. He didn't even make a sound.
What a beautiful pup.
What you do?
Come here! Come here!
You're playing with the kitty tail. You need your bestie red.
When the zoomies hit, there's a very high chance the house will turn into a total mess.
Press their puppy's mute button.
Animals had other plans.
If you want me to hold it, I can.
You're bothering him. You're bothering him. You did this. He was fine sitting here with you. He was fine. For you to touch him.
These are my lips.
Your sister did that.
is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
Right?
Mini Shebas entered airplane mode with maximum confidence.
Oh mein Gott, was seid ihr? Ich glaube, du bist ein Fuchs. Ich glaube, du bist ein Fuchs, Baby. Haha.
Better safe than sorry. I've got to keep my distance, human.
Копичек, кто это? Кто это стоит? Что у тебя?
Trying on my new skirt, and I think it's safe to say that Cricket likes it.
I thought it was roast turkey, but it turned out to be a stuck chunky cat.
Não quer sair não, ó. Já tirei 2 vezes.
They love observing, so never let them catch you looking unhappy when they're around.
Need to put it on my head. Can you do that for me, please? Oh yeah.
Juno, come here.
He knows whose tail that is.
Learning to chill in an environment that's not so peaceful.
What are you doing?
Robarte cosas.
Sometimes puppies just need to learn that they should slow down.
Get your keys, Gooch! Get him, get him, get him! Come back! Don't let...
Yeah, what? I know. You're so hungry.
Bean.
Are you swinging? Good girl. Look at you. You love it. Where are you taking that, Lola?
Ik ga wijn schenken. Ik ben het helemaal zat. Kom maar.
Did you do that? Hey, did you do that? Was it you?
Looking at me through that window.
Playing on your head.
Chair thing. It keeps him afloat, just so that he's not upside down and like.
You have officially violated the triggerfish's personal bubble.
I feel like that wasn't my best friend that night. It was the devil. Oh my good God. No, it!
Hey. Fainted. Oh no. What was me?
He's startled by his own handsomeness.
What, actually? Pets do sound a little nice. Give some little, oh yeah. Alright, Sharon, so it's tax season. You and I both know that. I've been doing some calculations, and looks like you owe me 4,000 pounds of gas.
How the f***?
The ultimate fisherman.
Guess who's completely mortified after doing something incredibly embarrassing and realizing they got...
Oh, darling.
Looks like this neat buddy is getting dirty on purpose just to get a free grooming session.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
How many hearts do you see?
You watch me bleed until I can't breathe.
Angels turn out to have many ways to land on Earth.
This guy's so confused meeting other animals, but too playful to even remember the confusion.
Let's get you to pull over when you can safely. I must say it's the first.
What's going on, man? Oh!
Spanish like a Puerto Rican in this hair. I felt Puerto Rican.
What is this?
Is made of shrimp.
Cutting up, I want a mouse. Catching your mouse as fast as I meow. Swallow. What the hell? You fucked it up, Marcus. Let's do it again. Catting up, I want a mouse. Catching your mouse as fast as I meow.
Seriously, is there anything a border collie can't do?
You might have been too long.
And three, he's a boy, he wants to be a man.
Ready, steady, go.
On his chest, here we go.
Wow.
Even when they're sealed away, they still know how to train and show off their flexible neck.
Introducing the latest sofa decoration art, made by him.
Targeting enhanced creative formats with transparency and optimization built into one platform.
Hi, baby! Oh my god! I know. You wanted to go right now? Should we go now? Come here, wait, come here. You want to go now or you want to go?
Got him, my boy?
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
härlig här hade.
Yeah, good boy now. Why are you refusing to eat unless mommy feeds you?
If I came to visit you, would you pet me?
When your brain is running at 100%,
Nhìn cắt.
Cats don't follow the rules. They create.
Enjoy.
Being a delivery driver means expecting the unexpected. Sometimes
Mi gordo.
Now and white chomping.
Such a good boy, Atlas. Good boy. Such a good boy.
That was way more dramatic than it.
Clean the camera.
What are you doing, babe? Huh? Come.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If you want him to sit still while you work, you might want to try this.
Hopefully, he'll compensate the appropriate amount for his damages.
He loves doing this.
Cosa c'è? Ciao, cosa c'è? Scusa, oggi non ti ho salutato, scusami. Ciao, ciao Paperina, ciao. Scusa, non ti ho salutato.
Water bottle.
Gua nemuin kucing nih, kasihan. Bis. Biar gue tolongin sih, Noy. Nggak.
Oh, sorry. We just.
For a marmot, the best food is always the one in the human's hand. When Kitty turned grooming into a full activity session.
No, don't go there. Stop.
Frenchies are the cutest, except the tantrums and the farts. Lol.
Ancestors forgot the legs, but these goby are going hiking anyway.
You're attacking Mama. Don't attack your Mama. Come here, Fury. Come here. Come here, Fury.
This is when you ask for something.
Ay, bakit? Kinain ni Daddy. Kinain ni Daddy.
Minä muutan tänne asumaan. Tää on minun uusi koti. Tänne ei oo äitille asia.
Come on.